single torch equipment, not for high-level application as you see CRA, but here it's more to replace welder and to have a flux core filling on V-prep bevel using flux core. The aim of this equipment is not to use your best welder for filling passes, but to let them focus on root pass. This equipment is not able to perform the root pass, only for filling and capping. But in this equipment you have a lot of knowledge coming from Serimax. We have an automatic stick-out control, meaning that you have a full control of your current. You stick to the current you have qualified using this equipment. You have data monitoring included in the system, meaning that you perform your weld. After welding, you plug an USB key in the system and automatically you have the welding report coming from the machine with all welding parameters that you closely need to build the welding report. We have a pendular oscillation in this equipment, meaning that when you look on a manual welder, they did not oscillate like this. They work like this, pendular. So we reproduce the way of the welder to oscillate the torch. Thanks to the regularity of welding linked with mechanized welding, you will see we have a very smooth slag removal. Slag is coming down by himself. You don't need to brush a lot to remove the slag. Here we have a 1.2 millimeter diameter wire. You see the control unit between the bug and the power sources. It is a very small box. For the power sources, here we have a Miller equipment, but you can plug any other power sources compatible with digital communication. You just need to communicate with this equipment. The welder don't need to set the parameter on the welding machine. Only use this wireless stitch to set the parameter, and when he starts, he just needs to ensure a good centering inside the bevel. You see, we have prepared two different bays, just to illustrate that you can have an helper that preparing bay, here the band, and when the welder finishes work, just unplug the system and plug it on a new bay and start welding very quickly. Don't need to adjust the band. Welder is focused on welding. You see two different types of guiding system. One chain, one band. The chain is used in 5G position. The main advantage of chain is costless. You can adjust the chain length for different diameter. But if you want to use this chain in 2G position, there is not enough friction between the chain and the pipe to ensure that the bug did not slide. That's why in 2G position we use a band system. You can have a band like this one, contact with friction. You can have a magnetic band and also flat band if you want to perform prefabrication, an example. The main application for this welding bug, sure pipeline, but also fabrication, wind farm. We have a wide range of applications for this equipment. So let's go to the demonstration. As I say, flux core, single torch, look on the regulation, and after welding, look on the slag removal.